Today we present the CompressIt project, designed to reduce size footprint of videos without losing much quality. Link to the project is in the description below. As you can see, we have two sections. The left section has multiple variables which are used to control size of the video. And the right section contains both preview of the original video and compressed video. Please note, to download the compressed video, click on the three dots on the compressed video section and click on Download. As you can see, the video is done compressing, and it is 93.09% smaller than the original video. You can see it has done a great job. Please like and subscribe to continue getting open source projects like this. Thank you for watching.